Welcome back, everybody, to the School Food Rocks Training and Innovation Center. Chef Eli with Chef Kim here today, and we're building a bold, global-inspired bowl, our Orange Chicken Banh Mi Bowl. This is made with Gold Creek grilled chicken breast bites and the Kikkoman orange sauce. This recipe is colorful, craveable, and packed with the flavors that kids love, all while meeting the USDA guidelines. Chef, you ready to get to work?
Yes, sir.
Let's go. And that's a wrap, folks. Our Orange Chicken Banh Mi Bowl, sweet, tangy, and just the right amount of crunch from those fresh pickled veggies. This recipe provides 2 ounces of meat and meat alternative, 2 ounces of grain, 1/4 cup of red orange vegetable, and is 1/4 cup other vegetable. It's balanced, bold, and built for success in your lunch line. You'll find this recipe in the Healthy Pro system, recipe number 1792961. Thanks for hanging out with us at the School Food Rocks Training and Innovation Center. We'll see you next time.